lähen siis eesti keele.
I will move on over to Estonian. So we're talking about green ammonia project. So I will say a few words about the company itself. It's an Estonian-Dutch company. We've actively been involved with this project for 2 years, and the share capital is 2 million euros, and we develop ammonia projects in 2 locations. One is in Paldiski in the southern port, and the other that I will be telling you about today is 5 times bigger, a project that's 5 times bigger in Sillamäe. So today we'll focus on Paldiski, and here, not to waste any time, I will start introducing our project. Kasesarja Road 10 is the property where we have an agreement with Tallinn Port for 50 years planning. And the location is extremely important, as it also has a detailed plan that enables to build an ammonia plant. And it's also very important to notice that in the region, green energy manufacturing is quite common. They have the Enefit green solar parks and wind parks and other developers who want to expand similar projects. And here we can see on the right-hand slide the red line that takes a direct connection from our property to Enefit green substation, and the direct connection is very important because later on we'll be talking about various electricity current transfer fees, and here it's somewhere we can cut some costs. This is our plant's location plan. We have very good partners from the Ukrainian side. Chemical Technological Company is our technology company that we cooperate with in the technology installation of the ammonia plant. And we've also submitted a plant to patent our innovative technology in 157 countries. And the project will be prepared by Ukrainian company Chemproekt. And why we picked them as our partners, firstly, it was procurement, but the second important detail was the experience that they have on an international level, in addition to various Ukrainian ammonia plants. So this is the 3D model of the plant. So these are not even drawings. This is exactly how it looks like. It has something that's called a PIM model, which can be taken into small parts, block by block, no matter which building, until the last bolt. Some photos just to show you what it looks like. Doesn't seem too much fun, but it's a manufacturing company, and it is important that it would be as compact as possible. Therefore, we are using equipment where we can fit them on various floors. Here you have the hydrogen manufacturing production unit and all, the floor plan. And where we are with the project at the moment, we have done the environment impact assessment, and that was performed by Henriksson & Co. And we are ready to present it to the local government in order to for it to pass the last round of coordination. And after that, we will hopefully get a building permit. I didn't mention before that regarding the project, we have submitted an application for subsidiaries And fortunately, we received a positive reply last year from the Environmental Investment Center, who was willing to support us with 17 million euros. And the Paldiski project is said to cost 70.4 million euros. We have conducted 4 procurements, and we have signed 3 agreements. The 4th one is being coordinated, and we are currently going through the 5th procurement. And we have 2 new procurements for the construction party and for the management systems. So in that sense, we are very close to starting the construction work. Here, just getting ahead of myself here, I mentioned a few words about the company that's responsible for the project. So this drawing is an electrolyzer. It's a hydrogen production plant, and the electrolyzer supplier is Energy Bloom Corporation, who won the tender. We use SOEC type electrolyzers, and if you ask why this type, then that is because SOEC takes 25% less energy for producing the same amount of hydrogen compared to other traditional alkaline systems. Here you can see the timeline for the project, and as you can see, the green circle marks everything to do with the Environmental Investment Center support. I will say very openly that every bit of support for these green projects, CAPEX, OPEX projects, these are all very welcome, because everything that is green is expensive. And unfortunately, we are competing with grays and blues if we look at the sales later on. But if we come back to this scheme here, the timeline, how to put it, is very tense. And we need to get these electrolyzers and set them up by the 1st of June 2026. And we don't have much time left. It's ticking away mercilessly, and we need to start construction at the beginning of next year.